When you're walking down the street, take care, when you're walking down the street, be aware, ooh, yeah. Hold a grown-up's hand so tight, no. Use the crosswalk left and right, when you're walking down the street.